What makes a king? 48 counts, 1 wall, advanced, rolling 8. Weight on the left. Section 1. Make a quarter turn forward right, sweep left. Mumble half turn, rock, recover, half. Now facing 9 o'clock. Step on right, make a full spiral. Forward left, quarter side, behind. Now facing 6. Step right, sway to the right, sway left. Together, left twinkle with quarter turn, facing 3. Right twinkle, 3/4. Now back to 12. Count section 1. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, and Section 2. Rock left forward with hip roll, recover. Rock forward with hip roll, recover.
You can also do body rolls on the 2 rock recover. For left with drag. Jazz box with quarter turn. Cross, back, quarter side. Cross left over, now facing 3. 3/4 unwind. Back to 12. Weight on the left. Sweep right around. 2 back twinkle. Back side rock. Back side rock.
Count section 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, and Section 3. Back right.
Swing left backward in the air.
Back left with hook right. Forward right with sweep. Mumble half. Rock, recover half. Forward on right with full spiral.
Forward sweep, forward sweep. Forward coaster, forward together, back.
Count section 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and Section 4. Behind right with sweep, behind left with sweep. Make a quarter turn side point, facing 9 o'clock.
Rolling wide. Quarter, half, quarter side facing 9. Cross rock, recover, quarter forward.
Facing 12. Forward left with hitch, right coaster step. Count section 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, and Section 5. 3/4 diamond fall away from 12 going to 3 o'clock. Cross side behind 10:30. Behind side forward 7:30. Cross side behind 4:30. Behind side
cross facing
3. Sway to the left or push to the left. Recover to the right, make hitch half turn facing 9. Sway or push to the left. 1 1/4 rolling, quarter, half, half with sweep. Count section 5. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Section 6. Cross side behind with sweep. Behind side. Cross back side. Cross side behind. Sway right, sway left. That's the end of the main dance. Count section 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8. Take after first wall, facing 12. Sway right, sway left, and count 1, 2. At the end of wall 2, also facing 12, you're going to sway right, left, and do it twice. Sway right, left, again right, left, and then start the dance again. Whole dance count. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8. First tag, 1, 2. Then you'll start the second rotation. At the end of the second rotation, 4 count tag, 1, 2, 3, 4, and start the third rotation. The third rotation will end after count 28. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. From here, just cross and one half turn to end the dance.